Yeah, g'day mate. This is Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. We'll shoot up this wall now. I'll just get a cordless. Cool. That's about all I do when it comes to electrical. That and that only. I don't touch those little suckers behind there or try and wire anything up. No. I'm a tiler, not a sparky. If you do have a bit of glue up here, just wipe it off, because then it's not going to come out in your lines later on, like the next day. You try and keep your tiles as clean as you can. I haven't quite got something right here because it's not quite right there, so I think this end needs to come up just a tad, so you just adjust it accordingly. Like I said the other day, you always must start off right. And then, oh Jesus, then your home and hose. Yeah. All you do is repeat the process going up the wall. I'll probably go another one and then I'll fill that in, because you never want to come up too high, because you can be a little bit wrong. You've got to make sure, don't go up too, what I'm trying to say is don't go up too high before you put these in. Here I don't have to be too flash, because it all gets covered by the vanity, so I know I've got to come in a little bit. There's always a backing board on the vanity. Plug my plug in. Because these tiles aren't exactly flat, they're slippery. They slide around a bit. Always watching your lines. Now I'm coming up a bit, I can get up off the ground. Off the floor, I should say. More tiles. yeah, I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but the reason why I don't spread a wall is because the temperature is so hot, the fan's going, the glue would skin before I even got the half the tiles up on the wall. So that's why. That's why I do one at a time, and I reckon it's not so messy as well. And you got no chance of, no fear of the glue skinning, getting a skin on it, and then it doesn't attach to your tile. You're stuffed. You only think you're gluing them up there, but you're not. And then people wonder why they all start falling off the wall. And if you've seen it in other videos, that is why the glue has stuck to the wall or stuck to the floor, because they're troweling it on. And then there's too much of a time lapse before your tile sticks to that glue like that. It's skinned and it's not adhering to the tile, so it's an absolute no-no. And you've probably seen it in videos before that they've pulled walls off and the tile hasn't even stuck, hasn't even been glued properly to the tile, but it's stuck to the wall. All right, well, that's the reason for it. So that's a no-no. Do not, as a DIY, never go spreading your wall and think you're doing the right thing. No. Because you're not. You're stuffing up big time. Number one. Did you see how I did that? I'll do it again. I put my tile in like that. I'm marking the length. I'm allowing for the grout line and a little bit against the tile. Right, so when you turn your tile over, that is the bottom. So turn it back. Bring it up here. Allow for your grout and a little bit against the tile there, and call it number 2. See how I marked it there, because that's my top when you turn it around. I'm just adjusting it to my tile.